have talent, you have a talent, you have these skills, but drawing those things, I don't think it has future. Friends, it's Alicja here, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do another roasting your art accounts video, which you were asking for so much that I couldn't say no anymore. So yeah, let's just do it. Let's begin the roast. Alright, so I can see immediately that you are from the Netherlands because you named your cat Lotte and you're diagnosed with ADHD. So, but when I look at your page, I really like the style, like it has a style. And this drawing, best friends drawing, it really catches the eye and it is really pretty. Or this cat. This cat has something. The vibe of your account is really nice, only this is not really interesting. Not really interesting. You need to make your account interesting. So, artist Dobby star. Yeah, making art a little bit cleaner and less wobbly. That's the first thing I would do. Here we have Shiroi Sayuri. I really like this Inktober works of you. It's really well edited. I was shown this one because it has good contrast. It doesn't really have too yellow or too blue white tones, so it presents really well on in your gallery and also when you open it. I would love to see more of those. For this one, for example, I would recommend you to edit it a little bit better because it just looks kind of messy. But your artworks are really good. You need to just think more about your gallery, how your gallery looks like, because this doesn't present well at all in your gallery. So think about it. Aka art. Aka. Okay. Stop, please. Your page looks really nice, but why do you have a headstone picture as your profile picture? I see that you love working with colors, and I love to see you loving working with colors because it's really pretty. For example, this. I know that the technique is not perfect and you see it immediately, but I can see your interest in color and lightning. You just need to practice. Starlight Tiger, very nice name. Honestly, I don't like those two colors pictures, two colors drawings. I can't see anything I like about it. I just don't like monochrome, if that's how you call it, pictures, drawings. But those two last pictures are really good. Like this one is really good. Oh, and this one, ooh. Yeah, it's really good. If I was you, I would just draw more of those. I would work on your titties though. Nomad Scribbles. You have some really nice drawings right here, but I want to ask you, why did you take away any life from this poor girl? She looks dead, possessed, or just way too symmetrical. It's a mistake a lot of people make. Don't make your pictures too symmetrical. It just looks dead if you do it. Don't make your drawings look dead. They bear their better alive. SJ got 1. Don't post pictures. Just don't post pictures. 2. This is amazing. I love this style. It's unique, outstanding, beautiful, amazing.
Show-stopping, spectacular, never the same.
I love it. Keep it up. Keep it up. I would love to see more of this. Okay, this is my not favorite one. Okay. No. Shizukolula art. Your drawings, Shizukolula, are really pretty. But I want to ask you, what is it up with this background? It looks like one of those hairy carpets, and it basically looks like all of those characters were laid on the ground, which is really concerning with this one. Mini bagel art. You have talent, you have these skills, but drawing those things, I don't think it has future. I don't think you can do anything with it. I mean, if you want to really grow on Instagram, realistic drawing is not really a way to go. I mean, it's possible. I'm just not a big fan of it, and I don't recommend it to anyone. But you make it really pretty. You make it like really pretty. Like with those leaves and those pencils, you are doing a really good job. So I am crossing my fingers fingers for you, so you will succeed, because there's nothing more to say. Like, if you post things like this, and this, that's the best thing you can do with realistic art, like posting it in this way. But I don't know. I don't know. Good luck. By the way, you know, in Poland it means that you're lying. Like, if you are crossing your fingers, it means that you are lying, like crossing your fingers behind your back. If you are saying like good luck to someone, then you say I'm holding my thumbs for you. It's really weird. Hello, Belle. Hello there. Okay. What can I say? Your two last drawings are kind of destroying the whole vibe of your account, because I don't know, I really don't like this one. It's too much, just too much. It's too much. Also, not only because it's too much, but also it's different style and it's a repost. I read in the description, don't repost old drawings. Don't repost old drawings. The drawings are really cool. Please don't add dates on your pictures. Kinda destroys the whole vibe. Like, I don't know, disturbs me. Why does your logo look like Christian charity? Kaziverse. Stop. Kaziverse. So you told me fixed everything that pisses you off. Let's see. So the first thing that threw me off was this, because I saw text on it and I wanted to know why the hell would you do that? So I opened it and I see that it's a comic. I'm not a comic person, I'm not a comic artist. But if I don't know that something's a comic, I don't think it's good. So you should do something that it looks like a comic before you open it, because like this I just don't feel the need to click on it, other than finding out why did you put some text on the picture. So just fix it by taking an example from some big comic artists on Instagram. The things I want to recommend your page overall is just make some more catching drawings, more interesting, because here's a car. I don't know. Here's a nice idea, but not really a good artwork. And even if, I almost don't see anything happening here. So here's some nice idea, but a really poor positioning of the whole scene. Like, you need to learn a little bit about positioning. Your whole gallery just needs some more colors, more contrast, and just more interesting artwork. So good luck. Alright guys, this is it for today. If you want to be in the next video, make sure to leave a comment below. And a tip for you is say something funny. If you say something funny, I will include you in the next video. Yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was entertaining and handy and helpful. So if there's anything I can improve on my videos, please let me know in the comments. I read all of them, and if there is anything you think I should do better in my videos, let me know in the comments below, and I will probably do it if it makes sense for me, because most of the things I just don't notice. So it would really help me out if you have to go comment below. Also, it really helps me with the engagement and algorithm. So leave a like, comment below, and if you want to see my face once again, then make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon, so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video. So thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. So that's a weird voice.